Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a GIF to your Shopify store. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Shopify account, which of course I have done right here. Now, because this is a beginner's tutorial, I'm not going to assume that you know how to create an account on Shopify. But now the good news is that you can access Shopify using any browser of your choice. Right here, I chose to use Chrome. So launch your browser, and then at the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, all you need to do is to type shopify.com, and it's going to take you to the official website. Now, once you get to the website, follow all the on-screen prompts and instructions to create an account. And having done creating an account, is going to take you to this fantastic homepage. All right, so here's the homepage where you can, of course, navigate through or explore a lot of features to have a fantastic time editing your store in Shopify. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, how to add the GIF to your store to make your products more exciting and endearing and more attention grabbing. Now let's get right into it. Of course, at the left corner of your screen, head over, you're gonna find home, others, products, customers, content analytics, marketing, discount, online store, point of sale, apps, and of course your settings. Now, because we want to add this GIF to our product, all you need to do is to click on this product, and then the product window is going to open. And once it is open, all you need to do is to select the product that you want to add a GIF to. Now, you can have multiple products right here in this window, but I just have one product, which is my book, sitting gallantly right here as a digital product in my Afi bookstore. So all I need to do is to click on that. And once you click on the product, so not previewing, just click on it. And once you click on it, it's now going to take you to the editor. So this is the editor's page. Now, for me to actually embed my GIF in this space, all I just have to do is to go to my GIF website so I can just embed. But there are actually literally two ways to go about that. One way is to select this where you have insert image. Now you can click on this insert image option. So once you click on insert image, then you can now go ahead and click on upload file if you want to upload file. And once you click on upload file, it's going to take you to your system. So right here, if you have your GIF already downloaded, you can definitely select the GIF, and then it's just going to work for you. And then click on open, and then that's just going to be it. But I'm just going to cancel this and show you the other way, which I pretty much love so much. Okay, so this is book on identity. So I'm going to open up another window. So here, right here in the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type giphy.com. So it's going to take you to this website where you can now download a host of GIFs that actually suits your needs. So I'm going to have to exit this because I had already started this process. All right, so this is a GIF that I like because this lady is actually reading a book, and then she's gymming. So she reads a book and takes the wine, and then she continues with the exercise. Really like gymming, like she's exercising. So the book and the wine is more like a reward for whatever she's doing. And I think I like this because it's pretty much exciting when my clients, my customers come to my page and then they check the product description and they see just GIF. They're just going to be more excited and more interested in my product. You're like, okay, what kind of book is going to make me, have so much fun like this? So I love the interpretation. So right there under this GIF, you're going to see this 3 dots menu. So go ahead and click on this 3 dots menu, and you're going to see an extended menu. You say show captions, embed code, full screen, and report. Go ahead and click on embed code. Now, once you click on embed code, you're going to see this option. You're going to see this code that you can embed. And then you see this option, this button that says copy embed code. Click on the button, and you're going to get this that says link copied. So link copied. So I'm going to head over to my Shopify store, and I'm back in this particular window. So all I have to do right here is to click on this. All right, 3 dots, not the 3 dots menu. Sorry about that. So go ahead and click on this. All right, so here at the top corner of this box, you're gonna see paragraph, you're gonna see all of this font options that you can use, and then just scroll just move all the way, like just scroll your eyes towards the right, and you're gonna see this icon here that says show HTML. So go ahead and click on show HTML, and this is the HTML for the product description. So here is 2, and then here is 3. Just scroll all the way down to 3. So right here is in 3. So, and then Control V. Control V is definitely going to paste the GIF that you already copied on Jiffy website. So this is it. So all you just have to do once you're done with this, just go to the top right corner and click on save. So once you hit on the save button, it's now going to definitely save this. So this has been saved. And how do you know that your GIF has been added to your store? All you need to do is to click on preview here where you see duplicate, preview, share, more actions. So click on preview, and it's going to take you to your store so that you can see what that GIF looks like. So here, doesn't it sound amazing? Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? So as you can see, this is really nice, really nice. So once they come over and then they check this product, this book, and then they just see this and they're going like, oh my god, what kind of book is this? I'm really interested. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to see that it's also the same thing. And no, the sweetest part of this entire situation is that this GIF actually comes with sound. So once you play the sound, I can play because of copyright issues. But then if I play this sound, you're going to see that it's just going to be really exciting. So when they come to my store, not just that, the GIF is there to actually capture their attention, but they're going to be able to like move their body as they make sales. So all of these things are just amazing, pretty amazing marketing strategies that anybody can use. All right, so that's on it. So I'm just gonna click on show editor, and so the GIF is here. Please, I have to mute that. So as you can see, the GIF is, so like I said, there are 2 ways to actually get this done. Or head over to insert image, and then insert your image, and once you're done inserting the image, click on insert image. It's going to take you to your systems folder. Right there in systems folder, select the GIF that you have downloaded, and then it's going to be installed. Or you can also go for the embed HTML code, which is going to add some fancy stuff. So once you're done reading the book description, the next thing you're going to see is the exciting part of your book, which is the GIF that will draw and capture all of your attention. So however you want to go about it is just pretty simple. So let's say I want to get rid of this. I can click on this 3 dots menu, says watch on GIF. Okay, that's awesome. So if I actually want to get rid of this, that maybe I'm not interested in the GIF anymore, and I just want to get rid of this, all I need to do is to go ahead and click on this show HTML. And once I do that, I'm just going to head over to number 3 right here and highlight it. So once I highlight it, backspace, I've deleted that. So I've deleted that, and it's just what it is now. Click on save. And once I click on save, you're now going to see that my GIF is all the way out. So I'm click on show editor, and you see there's nothing like that again. So if I go ahead and click on preview, and it takes me to my site, you're gonna see that this has been refreshed, and my GIF is not here anymore, and this whole thing is just pretty boring. So that is pretty much how or what the GIF makes you feel like. You know, it just makes it exciting. So this is pretty much the process. I can go over this video, can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.